Now your customers are texting you, and your office staff is texting back and forth with them. Everything's working great. But wait, what if somebody texts you when you're out of the office? Well, we've thought of that. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Textel's auto reply to set up automated messages that go back to customers who text you during out-of-office hours. We'll also show you how to set up a signature line that shows up at the bottom of every text so your customers know who's texting them.
To set up your auto reply, go to the Textel web portal and click on Auto Reply. This is where you can type the automated message that you would like to go out to your customers when they text you during or after office hours. Click here to name the auto reply, and then type your message here. Now you'll want to schedule the start and stop times for this auto reply message to be texted back to customers. Click here and set the times for the corresponding office hours that you're open and closed. Make sure that the auto reply is turned on for any days that you want it active, and toggle it off for any days that you don't want it active. Once you're done setting your auto reply hours, click here to save the auto reply. Here's an example of an out-of-office reply that's been set up for the entire week. You can see each day at 7 p.m. the auto reply starts and ends at midnight, and then on Sundays and Saturdays it goes all day. In order to set up an out-of-office auto reply for AM hours, click Save and add another auto reply for your AM hours. You'll want to copy the same out-of-office reply for the AM hours, name this one AM, and set the times like we've done here for the hours that you're closed in the morning. Turn off Sunday and Saturday if you've already set up those auto reply hours on the PM, and then click Save. Now you'll see after hours AM and after hours PM, and you're all set. Next, we're going to show you how to set up a signature line that will go underneath every text you send out. Click over here in the drop-down menu, go to Settings, and click on Messaging. Click the option to include the signature below in my message. This is where you can type your signature and hit Save. Now whenever you send a text to a customer, your signature line will show up at the bottom of the text. And that's it for today's video. Now you should know how to set up an auto reply and add a signature line to the bottom of your text messages.